Welcome to today's episode where I am in the kitchen showing you how to make the perfect Greek couscous salad. This is the perfect side dish to go along with any grilled barbecue, any potluck side dish. This is a wonderful, refreshing salad that uses up a lot of fresh produce that are in the garden. My kitchen is very messy and I'm going to be making this yummy, delicious salad, and I thought I'm not gonna film because my background is atrocious. However, this is one of Landon's absolute favorite salad. I don't make it that often, but he loves it when I do make it, and I've been making it for years. And this is an awesome salad this time of year because if you have a flourishing garden, you may have parsley. You got some fresh mint, fresh basil leaves, red onion, tomato, a red bell pepper, cucumber, lots of fresh stuff here. This is going to make a great salad. This is couscous, not to be confused with quinoa. Landon is out running a few errands. We are going to whip this salad up really quick. We all just got back from swimming and I thought, yeah, you know what? This is gonna be a good one to go with our hamburgers. You only need one of those boxes of couscous or enough to make 1.5 cups. Okay, that didn't work. Tried to get me for years to use like a onion chopper or some kind of a chopper that would speed up this process, but I'm under the impression that it takes longer, if not longer, to clean the extra kitchen tool than it does to just chop them by hand. I'm not a huge fan of those choppers. Yeah, my eyes are a little burny, but that's all right. It is time to get my knives sharpened. I got rid of my huge knife box set and I have only like 3 or 4 really nice knives that I use all the time. These are Wusthof knives. You could put normal olives in this salad. I'm going with the kalamata, I think that's how you say it, kalamata olives from Zested. These are a yummy olive to have in the salad. Come on! Got it. Woo! Landon's arm to help how to do it. Okay. It's just a different kind of olive, but I think they're really good in it. Ew. Got it. Oh, they're good. Ew. Ideally, you would want to put this salad together a couple hours in advance so it can like kind of marinate the flavors together. It's usually better the next day. We're kind of cutting it short today and that's okay. It'll still taste just fine. My love of feta cheese. Often I will buy these from Costco, the huge buckets. I put this on so much stuff. I actually got my mint from a neighbor. She picked this for me. And I grow my own basil, so I love it so much. And I got some parsley. You don't have to do the mint, but it's good. With cilantro, I cut the stems. Wasn't sure about mint, so I picked the leaves off. I think I'm gonna cut the stems on parsley, even though I'm not sure if I'm not supposed to or not. So we're just gonna go with it. Did you know that you can ferment your own garlic? This is like game changer. I'm going to be getting into more fermenting foods, and the only thing this is salt water. It was salt water that I left on my countertop, and I just burped the jar like once a day for like a week, and then I put it in my fridge and it will last for like a year. Garlic that will last in your fridge for a year. I bought a ton of it from Costco, just peeled it and put it in here, or you can buy it pre-peeled. and it won't go moldy because it's fermented. Because it's fermented, when you eat this raw, not cooked, you get all of the probiotic benefits. And no, I don't have a garlic press. I just mince it myself with the knife. And at the end of cooking, the only thing I will have to clean is my cutting board and knife instead of a bunch of extra tools.
What's that, Mom? What's that?
This is my dressing to put in my salad.
What? Is it Mom?
No, this is not flavor water. Want to smell it? It's like lemon ginger. Lots of good benefits there. All right, and there you have it, the perfect Greek couscous salad. This is a perfect side dish to go along with any summer potluck, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, comment down below and let me know what you think of it. I've also seen recipes where you can add chickpeas to it, so if you have some chickpeas, go ahead and throw those in as well. Oh, you're making a mess all over the bowl. Good thing we're not sharing with anyone.
Too good.
Too good?
That is really good.